He's trying to eat my hand.
What's a legend?
The key that shows you what the thing stands for.
Look.
Ah, okay, God.
Warm it.
Mimo knows how to fight, and he's not giving up. Ow, 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 ow.
I couldn't get to me. How did you do it? Where do you put help?
Freaking kangaroo.
Grading charts.
Can you turn on the light, Julio?
What light?
Hurry up.
This?
Yeah.
Turn on?
No, the light, dum.
What light? There's no light on.
Dude, that light. The switch, that light to go. The other one. There you go. I'm making a movie. Ah, okay. He likes biting. This little guy likes biting a lot. Ah, okay.
Spank Mimo. Does this thing go up?
Yeah.
How? How does this thing go up? Good enough. 8H.
He's trying to look for something again.
Okay, we said you can quickly create a chart in Microsoft Excel by using the chart wizard. In the chart wizard, you can choose if you want to locate chart columns. Some charts require a specific arrangement of data before you can create a chart. For more information about chart types, on the worksheet, arrange the data you want to plot. Select the cells that contain the data that you want to use for the chart. Oh, look.
Oh God, that hurts.
Dude, look.
Ow.
But aren't these like patterns? No, right? Oh. Okay, let's try it.
Oh, damn it. Ooh, that hurts. Ow, 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 ow. Okay.
Am I writing?
Whoa. No, that's a fast kitty. I'm afraid now. Whoa!
199, 198. No. 197, 198, 196. Click on wizards. Okay.